Hey, it's Tracy from Dusha Motors, and I'm on the pre-owned lot today, and I'm very excited to show you this 2021 Escape. It is an SEL in trim level. It's a 1.5 liter Ecoboost engine, only 85,000 kilometers, so there's lots of life left to this all-wheel drive Escape. So when we come back here, we're going to see that it has a reverse camera, all your reverse sensing. It also has the power liftgate, which is super handy when you got your hands full, maybe with kids, groceries, animals, whatever. So you can see back here there is a ton of room. We'll just zoom in there. All right, and again, with the touch of your button there, or you can push the button here, we'll download your hatch, okay? We're gonna walk back here. We have all season tires, which are snowflake rated, so we are in perfect condition for all your winter driving this year. We do a full service on this vehicle as well. So we machined the rear rotors, and we put on new rear brake pads, a fresh service, and a new air filter. So it is all ready to go this winter. So now that we've taken care of the outside, let's escape to the inside and see what's going on in there. And we're back inside here. As you can see, that this is a full leather Escape, and it's got all kinds of good things. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my heated seats, which you have passenger and your driver, and I'm going to turn on my heated steering wheel because it is that cold today. So we've got dual climate control, we've got auto high beams, we've got the COPILOT 360, which is your adaptive cruise with stop and go, and your voice navigation screen here, which you can see got the nice 12-inch screen, air cruise, tilt power, windows power locks, all that good stuff. We've got lane centering, lane keep, all-wheel drive. It is a perfect little unit for this winter. If you'd like more information, give me a call, 780-826-3278, and don't miss out on this cute little Escape.